So, as we step into the new year, excitement builds for the much-anticipated introduction of Samsung's latest innovation, the Galaxy S24 series, set for an official launch on January 17th. This trio, comprising the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the standout Galaxy S24 Ultra, pledges to elevate the smartphone experience. While the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus maintain a familiar vibe, mirroring their predecessors down to the finest details, it's the Galaxy S24 Ultra that commands attention in this revelation. Recently leaked real-life photos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra unveil a departure from the norm, as the Ultra variant opts for a flat display, discarding the previously curved one, creating a distinct visual allure. The structural transformation goes further with the abandonment of the rounded steel frame, replaced by a cutting-edge titanium right-angle middle frame. The meticulously crafted front bezel exudes a sense of control, leaning towards enhanced visibility compared to its predecessor. Shifting our focus to the rear, the Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the housing design of its forerunner. To be frank, we've already encountered the Galaxy S24 Ultra in numerous renders, and this isn't the first time it has surfaced in real-life photos. However, these latest images present the device in a striking gold colorway with a matching golden frame. The flat screen and overall design are now essentially confirmed, yet a discerning eye will catch the subtle yet impactful upgrade in sensor technology, promising an enhanced photographic prowess in line with Samsung's unwavering pursuit of innovation. In this symphony of technological evolution, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a symbol of change, daring to challenge the status quo with its innovative design choices and upgraded features. As the release date approaches, enthusiasts and tech aficionados eagerly await the opportunity to delve into the next chapter of smartphone sophistication embodied by the Galaxy S24 series. In a recent official announcement titled "Zoom with Galaxy AI is coming," the company unveils a sequence of images featuring a hot air balloon showcasing a camera zoom range of at least 10x. The images also depict a peculiar effect that seemingly enlarges individual objects within a scene to comical sizes. This deliberate choice of a 10x zoom range hints at a significant feature in the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, as it is expected to downgrade the Galaxy S23 Ultra's powerful 10x optical telephoto lens to a 5x version, albeit with a much higher sensor resolution of 50 megapixels compared to the current model's 10 megapixels. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.